Welcome to Project Insight. Today I'm going to be talking about the Unsubmitted Timesheet report. This report will show all those with unsubmitted timesheets, but will not show timesheets that have not been created yet. So for example, if a user has some time entries they haven't submitted yet by the end of the week, then they will not show up on the Unsubmitted Timesheet report. To access the Unsubmitted Timesheet report, you'll have to be an admin with the Timesheet Approver role. In order to give a user this role, or make sure you yourself have the role, you'll access the My Insight menu, scroll down to Admin, click Users, navigate to the user that you'd like to be the timesheet approver, click the More Options icon in the far right column, click Edit, navigate to System Roles, and under Manager/Power User Roles, you'll see the Timesheet Approver role. Make sure this is checked. From here, you'll click the Reports icon, navigate to Reports Home, and under Financial, you should see Unsubmitted Timesheet. Click this, and here you're able to select a couple things. You'll be able to select the date range. By default, this will be the last week, and you're also able to switch from Timesheet or Time Entries Report. By default, the option is selected as Timesheet Report, which means the report will only be looking for timesheets. However, you can select Time Entries, and in this case, the report will only be looking for time entries. So let's run it with timesheets, and you're given a list of users that have not submitted their timesheet for the week. As you can see in my case, it's just this user, Kyle Crane. Another way to see unsubmitted timesheets is to go back to the My Insight menu, navigate to Time, navigate to Time Home, and on the right side of the screen, you'll see this Unsubmitted Timesheets row, and you're able to either remind the users to submit their timesheet or submit their timesheets for them. For more information on time tracking and timesheets in Project Insight, you can refer to our existing videos and documentation on the subject.